Rambam Health Care Campus is proud and honored to bestow the 2019 Rambam Award upon Mr. Jacob Harpaz in recognition of his unwavering commitment to the people of Israel, his outstanding ethical and inspirational leadership of ISCAR with a people-centered business acumen, and with highest esteem for his visionary generosity, particularly with regard to Rambam Health Care Campus. Mr. Harpaz was born in 1951 in Kiryat Motzkin. He joined ISCAR after completing his technical engineering degree and while working in the metallurgical research laboratories at the Technion. During the Yom Kippur War, at the age of 22, Mr. Harpaz was wounded near the Suez Canal. Despite the injury, he proceeded to save the life of a fellow soldier, became a national hero, and was awarded the Medal for Distinguished Service. Mr. Harpaz was deeply impressed by the way he was treated by ISCAR and the Wertheimers after he was wounded. His commitment to ISCAR is reflected by his gradual progression from working in development into sales and marketing. Believing in his potential, Eitan Wertheimer sent Mr. Harpaz to attend Harvard University's prestigious management course, PMD, after which Mr. Harpaz was promoted to the position of marketing director. Inspired by what was already a strong people-centered business ethic, Mr. Harpaz has led ISCAR with a unique marketing worldview. In 1994, he was appointed CEO of ISCAR and has subsequently received numerous awards honoring him for excellence in manufacturing and marketing campaigns. His worldview clearly works. Today, ISCAR is the second largest company in the global carbide cutting tool industry. Mr. Harpaz is as committed to his family as to ISCAR and is married to Sarit. Together, they raise 3 children who all work in high-tech industry and have 5 grandchildren. In 2001, Mr. Harpaz was appointed president of the IMC Group, one of the world's leading enterprises for metalworking products. He retained that position following ISCAR and IMC Group's acquisition by Warren Buffett in 2006. Buffett views Mr. Harpaz as the Da Vinci of his craft. Indeed, Mr. Harpaz's commitment to quality includes a strong focus on staff retention, teamwork, educational advancement, and philanthropy. These standards permeate the ISCAR culture and have impacted Rambam Health Care Campus through the company's long-term and essential support of the hospital's needs. In acknowledgement of all the aforesaid, the Honorary Awards Committee has found Mr. Jacob Harpaz deserving of the 2019 Rambam Award.